When it comes to jeans, it is all about the fit that matters. How comfortable you are in it and how it makes you look. While there are tons of videos on YouTube which talk about jeans, but many of the basic points are still missing, which are of utmost importance to know before deciding to buy a pair of jeans. I don't know why no one has ever talked about those points before. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My namaste to all you beautiful people out there. This is Soumitra, your next door jewelry and style expert. This is part 1 of the video series getting you your perfect pair of jeans. Hence subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified for further related videos. Right now, pause this video and make a note of all these points which we are going to discuss in this video. Before diving into understanding literally all the 1,000 kinds of jeans available in the market, let us address the most underrated and most important issue, that is the fit. It does not matter how expensive or cheap your pair of jeans is. If the fit is not good, it's money down the gutter. I'm really getting ahead of myself. So I'll tell you 8 most important points to consider the perfect fit of your jeans according to the parts of your body, plus one bonus tip at the end of the video. So keep tuned. The most important point is the fabric of the jeans. Yes, stretch matters. There are brands in the market which provide stretch in their jeans. There is a 2% to 5% of lycra content in their jeans. While a 2% lycra content is sufficient, but you know your body parts the best. So don't shy away from trying even 5% lycra content in your jeans. A 2% lycra content will definitely provide you the comfort of movement, while a 5% lycra content will enable you to even sit on the floor, even if you are having a bulkier lower half. You can prefer a non-stretch denim for a more classic, structured and rigid look. Second most important aspect considering the fit of your jeans is understanding the rise of your jeans. This means that you should be clear about the ideal rise of your jeans as per your body aspects. If the back rise of your jeans is not enough, you will always feel uncomfortable and it would feel like it is cutting into you from the back side. Fabric of the jeans would seem like digging into the back thigh. One way to understand such problem is while trying on the jeans, it will always feel uncomfortable and it will feel like somebody has been dragging your jeans from behind. It will not rest comfortably around your waist. Do you know why this rise problem happens? Since I'm a fashion graduate, let me take you a little deeper. Many brands cut down on providing the curve area while creating the back rise of your jeans. That's a trade secret because this helps many of the brands to save on fabric cost and hence cheaper jeans are in the market. Categorically, there are 3 kinds of rise in jeans. High rise sits comfortably at your natural waistline. All those jeans which sits at your navel point or a little above your navel point are considered high rise jeans. These are very helpful to show elongated legs. Mid rise jeans generally sit at the navel or a little below navel. These are most classy and most accepted kind of rise. Low-rise jeans generally sits below the natural waistline, or you may say that between belly and around the hip region of your body. These are more or less revealing kind of jeans rise. Knowing this knowledge is not enough. You have to go on, try different brands and see whether their high rise suits your body requirements. It is not necessary that high rise from Levi's will exactly match the high rise from Wrangler. Right now, don't wonder about the jeans rise perfectly suited for your body type. This I will cover in the upcoming videos of this video series, so subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified. Oh yes, there is a bonus tip at the end of the video apart from these 8 tips. So stay tuned, okay? Moving on. Third important aspect. Your jeans should gently kiss your waistline. Now imagine your first kiss. If it is gentle, it is perfect. If it is too tight, if it is too loose, I know it's a bad comparison, but worth understanding. This is the exact relation your jeans and your waistline should have. A gentle kiss. Every body type is different. You may be petite and curvy. You may be slim and petite. You may be having a long torso and bulkier. You may be having a long torso and thin. And there are 100 ways to look about it. Hence, you must settle for the gentle, perfect fit around your waist. If it is too tight around your waist, your zip area will fly open. If it is too loose around your waist, it is even a worse scenario. You will have all loose fabric around your waist and hip region. So the jeans should be snuggling at your waist, not too tight, not too loose. No matter how much knowledge you have, whenever you decide to buy a pair of jeans, you must try them on. Go to your favorite retailer or brand, try a favorite pair of your jeans, and try to sit on a bench or even on the floor to actually see whether it is comfortable or only modeling worthy. Fourth aspect, does your jeans have a grumpy smile at the front? I know it's a little tricky of a metaphor, but look at the image and you will understand. If your jeans is tighter at the hips, then you will have such drag lines near the zip and crotch area, and that is not at all flattering. Such jeans would never allow your hips to relax even a little, and your waist would feel like confiscated from all around. Fifth aspect, does your jeans have drag lines at the back of your thigh? Again, you have to try many brands. These drag lines at the back of thigh are not flattering, and it occurs because of the incorrect pattern methods brands use while creating the thigh and rise of your jeans. Sixth is back pocket placement. I know this is the last thing you notice in a denim, but yes, your pockets should neatly be on your butt area and not even an inch below that. If they are going towards the thigh, an unflattering look is created and nobody likes it. The size and placement of the pocket visually enhance or degrade the look of your butts. So if you are looking for tips on how to enhance the look of your butts by merely changing the pockets and their placement, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon, because we will cover this aspect in the coming video of the series. Seventh important aspect is the ideal jeans length. Understand your style statement and your styling of shoes pairing with your jeans. If you are wearing a skinny jeans, ideally it should end at the ankle point or just covering the ankle point. Imagine pairing your skinny jeans with a sneaker. That way it will look very neat. If the length is beyond that, excess fabric would crumple around your ankle, which is not a good sight. If it is a flared or bootcut jeans, yes, the length has to be a little longer than your skinny jeans to go well with the heels. So to understand this aspect, it is most important to understand your own style sense on how you pair your jeans with your shoes. Eighth point, baggy jeans should be a choice. There are several brands in the market. Few of them snuggle correctly at your thighs but would have excess fabric near the calf region. One of the famous brands is American Eagle. It is their plus point. They have customers like that who like excess fabric around their calf region that provides them an ease of movement. So if you are like that, go for the brand. But if you are the one who thinks that excess bunching of fabric near your calf region is awkward, then do not go with such brands. So you have to experiment with many brands to see what perfect fit you are looking for, what perfect fit your body is looking for. And it is time for bonus tip. Always go for pre-washed jeans. Almost all the brands these days are providing pre-washed jeans, but it is no harm in asking the retailer or the brand to ensure that they are pre-washed so that they don't shrink later and your fit goes haywire. Now this is time to summarize. Good brands do matter. Good brands have good fabric, longevity, and good fit. The most important aspect, good fit. So you should invest in good brands. Which brand? Doesn't matter. What is your favorite brand of jeans? Comment below. I wish in building a community. I covered 8 aspects. If you have more aspects which can contribute to having a better fit of jeans, please comment below. Next video in this series is jeans for all kind of body types. Hence, subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified. Signing off for now, this is Soumitra, your next door jewelry and style expert.